Yes, hello there. Welcome back. Let me just show you Lizard. So these are the rocks of Lizard. So just further beyond that white tower where you can see, should be visible to you, there's a lighthouse. I'll show you that in a moment. If I just move the camera around, you can see the coastline. It's all completely filled with rocks. There you go. So these are rocks here, and you've got green cliffs, rocks. So they're full of, so I think you get to see granite. So granite rocks. That's what I'm referring to here. And then you can see the shops. It's kind of, it's just taking its own direction. And it's kind of slanted, so people can just walk down. And there's a car park as well. And so it's a beautiful coastline. There's plenty of rocks, surrounded by plenty of rocks. It's a must-see spot. It's especially in a hot sunny day. So as you can see, as I'm walking down the pathway, you can witness the spot. So just heading towards the cafe now, of the shops. So just about to find out if you can find anything interesting or something to eat. Thank you.